Okay, now children will solve some examples so that you have a better understanding of what is distributive property. The first example I'm taking up is 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. Now here we have two terms. From the first term and the second term, we have a common rational number, that is 7 by 5. So it is of the type A into B plus A into C, where A is 7 by 5. So what we will do, we will take A common, 7 by 5 common, multiply, we'll start the bracket. Now when we take 7 by 5 common from the first bracket, what is left? Minus 3 by 12. And from the second, now this plus sign will come as it is. From the second bracket, if we take 7 by 5 common, we are left with 5 by 12. Now we'll solve the bracket first, 7 by 5 into. Now because the base, the denominator is same for both the numbers, so LCM is 12 minus 3 plus 5, simple in this case. So this gives 7 by 5 into 2 by 12. We can do the cancellation. So this gives 7 by 5 6 are 30. So the answer is 7 by 30. Now here we have used distributive property. We have taken the common number outside the bracket. Now another example. The second example I'm taking up 9 by 16 into 4 by 12 in one bracket, 9 by 16 into minus 3 by 9 in the other bracket. Now here from the two terms we can see 9 by 16 is common rational number. We will take it out, multiply in the bracket. Now from the first bracket we are left with 4 by 12 plus this sign comes as it is. From the second bracket we are left with minus 3 by 9. So, right, 9 by 16, now here plus minus becomes minus, so it becomes 4 by 12 minus 3 by 9. Now before solving the bracket, we can see that in the bracket we can do the cancellation of 4 by 12. 4 by 12 it can be reduced to 1 by 3. Similarly 3 by 9 can also be reduced to 1 by 3. So we get 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. This gives 0. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 0, and any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So the answer we get is 0. One more example we take up. This is example number 5 of your book. Very important one. Minus 1 by 14 minus 3 by 7 into 3 by 5. Now here we have three terms. This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. As I told you, the terms they are separated by plus and minus sign. So there are three terms. Now we can see that if any common rational number in these terms. Now in the first and in the third term, there is a common rational number 3 by 7. We can see that 3 by 7 is common, right? So first step we will do, we will interchange the places of the second and third term. And which property is this? Well, this is called commutative property. Interchanging the places of the terms. So this is commutative property we have used. Now from the first and the second term we have to take 3 by 7 common. 3 by 7, here what we can do, we can take minus 3 by 7 also as common, or we can simply take 3 by 7 common. So anyway, both ways you can do it. I am taking 3 by 7 common into, now bracket starts. Now from the first term, if I take 3 by 7 common, what is left? The number left is 2 by 3, and this negative sign also is left, which was with minus 3 by 7, which was with the 3 by 7. So this negative will now shift to 2 by 3. Remember one thing, a into minus b is same as minus a into b. So the negative sign, it can be shifted to the other number which is being multiplied. So if I am taking 3 by 7 common, then the negative of 3 by 7 will go with 2 by 3, and it will become minus 2 by 3, right? Now from the second term, I have taken 3 by 7 common. So what is left? The negative sign is left, and the number 3 by 5 is left, right? 3 by 7 we have taken out, negative sign comes as it is, and 3 by 5 number is left. So bracket close after this, and then the last term as it is. I repeat this step. From the first and the second term, I have taken 3 by 7 common outside, multiply, bracket start. Now from the first term, if I take 3 by 7 common, I am left with 2 by 3 inside, but there was a negative sign also with 3 by 7, which is now shifted to 2 by 3. And from the second term, I have taken 3 by 7 outside. The negative sign remains as it is with the number 3 by 5. And the last term is there. Now we will solve the bracket first. Now the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. Minus 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 3s are 9. Sorry, there is a mistake. Just a minute. This number, it was 5 here. This was 5 here. It was not 3, it is 5. So, the LCM will be 5. So, we'll take minus 2 minus 3, right? Minus 1 by 14. After this, now what property we have used here? We have used distributive property here. In this step, we have used distributive property because we have combined the two terms. We have taken the common rational number outside. So this property is distributive property in this step. So the two properties we have used, commutative in the first step and distributive in the second step. Now after this, the next step will be 3 by 7 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 by 5 minus 1 by 14. Now we'll multiply these numbers first. 5 and 5 gets cancelled. We are left with minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 14. We'll take LCM of 7 and 14, which is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 14 divided by 14 is 1. 1 ones are 1. So this gives minus 7 by 14. Reducing it to the lowest form, we get minus 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. I hope the question is clear to all of you.